Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for being here. We are back again. Here is our another video. In our today's video, we are going to show you some wooden lampshades and lamp design ideas that will inspire you, and it will reduce your carbon footprint, and you will come to know how to utilize your waste wood in a better manner. Wooden table lamps are a popular choice for home decor as they add warmth and texture to the room. They come in a variety of styles from rustic to modern and can be paired with different types of shades to create the desired ambience. In this video, we will explore the benefits of wooden lamps and the different types of shades that can pair with them. Here are some benefits of wooden table lamps and the shades. Fabric shade come in a different color than the texture, making them a realistic choice for wooden table lamp. They can be paired with different types of wood finishes and to create a variety of looks. For example, a white fabric shade paired with a natural wood finish can create a beachy coastal vibes. Paper shade are an affordable option for wooden table lamps. They come in a different pattern and the colors and can be easily replaced when worn it. They are also great for diffusing light, creating a soft and the warm ambience in the room. Consider style. The shade you choose should match the style of your wooden table lamp. For example, a rustic wooden table lamp would come in best with a fabric paper shade, while modern lamp would look best with the metal and the glass shades. The shade you choose should also serve its intended function. For example, if you want your wooden table lamp to provide dark lighting and the metal shades that direct lights downward would be a good choice. If you want your lamp to provide ambient lighting, a paper or fabric shade that diffuse the light would be a good choice. The shade you choose should also be complement the color of your wooden table lamp. If your lamp is a natural wood finish, a white or a cream shade would create a soft natural look. If your lamp has a darker and the wood finish, a black or a gray shades would create a dramatic look. Wooden table lamps are a great way to add warmth and texture to any room. They are durable, versatile and eco-friendly, making them a smart investment of the home. When choosing a shade for your wooden lamp, consider style, function and colors to create a desired ambience. With the right shade, your wooden table lamp can become a statement piece of your home decor. today's video. I hope you have enjoyed our video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching our video. Please do subscribe our channel. Keep watching and keep subscribing. Thank you so much.